So we finished up the break-in process, but right now we're gonna change out the oil.
You got a temp gauge?
The guys at the Yamaha dealership said that you should do it at 10 hours and we're at 7. So I know we'll probably put a good 5, 6, 7 hours on today. So we're gonna change it out before we go out again today. We're letting the jet ski warm up. Got a water hose here so that we can run it up warm, get the oil warm, and then we can suck it out and put in the new YAMALUBE 4W 10W40. So we just went with the YAMALUBE, but you know it's 10W40, so I think any synthetic, you know, Mobile One 10W40 would work fine as well. Here's the filter you need. That's the number. We can see that. You need a 73 millimeter 14 flute oil filter wrench or removal tool, whatever you want to call it, so it fits on there nice and snug. The 74 millimeters you get from AutoZone are a little loose on it. Could strip it out. I wouldn't recommend that. So we got this off Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description. So we put some oil absorption rags down there, and then we were able to get that tool in.
Filter kind of hot? Yeah, a little warm, not real.
So once you get it started, you should be able to just get your hand down there and twist it off. Put up this black piece on. Should be enough. Yep, there he goes.
Twist it up and rotate it as quick as you can.
You're gonna probably spill some down there, but that's why we got those oil rags.
They're called oil absorbent rags.
Oil absorbent rags, dang.
Or diapers, whatever.
Diapers, yeah. You gonna be able to get it out of there? Oh, dang, look at that. That's 7 hours of run time on this brand new GP1800.
69 J?
Yeah, look at that.
69 J.
Perfect.
13440.
With minimal drop spill, not bad. The typical oil around the O-ring to create a good seal. Nothing different than a car or any other boats or machinery of that kind. It's all the same. We're going to use this electric pump that we got though to suck the oil out instead of those hand pumps, which take forever.
Filter screws on?
So let's get to that.
Tighten torque. Run engine for 3 minutes and check for release. They don't even tell you to like turn it 3/4 or anything. They tell you to tighten it 15 to 20 Newton meters. It's like what a bunch of crap.
Get it? That's good. All right. Not bad. All right, let's suck out the oil. We got this pump. We used it probably about 2 years ago. It works pretty good. We just had to get a little bit of jumper cables because we couldn't reach the jet ski battery. So we're gonna hook it up to this Dodge Ram. Let's see if it's got enough juice to do it. I'm not too sure. More power products, huh? All right, we're starting to get to the bottom.
You are at the bottom.
Getting some air bubbles in there. Once filled up that entire pub mix container for you Costco home gamers. Not bad. It should take pretty much the entire, is that 4 quarts?
Mm-hmm.
4 quarts of YAMALUBE.
We're going to stop at about 3.5.
To check it. They say the jet ski should be completely level. We're not 100% completely level, but we're pretty close. So we'll probably check it maybe once more on the water and top off as needed. But we should get up pretty close. Hopefully you can see that we're just shy of that top dot. So that's where we're going to leave it for now. Again, we'll probably check it on the water when it's completely level, and that will give us our final reading if we have to add a little bit left of this. We just have a little teeny tiny bit left. So almost this whole container went in there. Looks good. That took probably about 20 minutes from start to finish. We just give it one last, put your hand under it. You don't feel nothing? Yeah, looks good. All right. That's how you change the oil on a 2021 Yamaha GP1800R.